Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by confirming the essentials: Jupyter installed and the correct Python kernel active. Once done, make sure the dataset file, CSV, Excel, or JSON, sits inside your project folder. Open a terminal and navigate into that folder. This avoids path confusion. Then run Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab to launch the interface. You do this first so the next steps access files locally, and because relative paths are simpler and less error-prone than absolute ones. Now in the Jupyter browser, click the dataset file or create a new notebook in the same directory. You should create a notebook with the Python kernel you verified earlier. Once open, import pandas with import pandas as PD. This library handles most table formats. Then load the file, df equals PD, read CSV file. CSV for CSVs, PD read Excel. For Excel or PD, read JSON. For JSON, this approach keeps code reproducible and the data frame ready for inspection and cleaning. Finish by verifying the import. Run df head, df info, and df shape to confirm rows and columns. Once satisfied, save the notebook so your commands are preserved and export any cleaned output with df to CSV clean. CSV index equals false. If something goes wrong, stop and check the file path, encoding, and delimiter. Make sure the kernel matches your Python environment. One key troubleshooting tip: if pandas fails, open the file in the Jupyter file browser to confirm it's the expected format and not corrupt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.